How to add AI images in Zoomerang. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily import them. First of all, open the application. Now here, you can directly import the video that you want to edit. So here, I'm tapping on one. After you do this, simply hit on next. So basically, we in this editing platform. Here, you can make different edits and changes in the video. Here on the bottom, you can find a section called AI image. Simply tap on AI image. Here you can generate the image that you like. So it's up to you and the way you want to customize. So here I am generating one. So the AI generated image can be used in the video. Here on the bottom, tap on use image and you can simply tap on the stick button. So this image has been imported in your video. So here you can customize and make different edits. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.